Hello everyone, I am Suchita Huri from St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. In this video, we are going to discuss solution of differential equations by using MATLAB Part 2. Learning objectives. Learners can identify the difference between linear and nonlinear, first order and higher order ordinary differential equation, and by using the concept and knowledge of this, they can solve the examples of ordinary differential equation by using MATLAB. Ordinary differential equation mainly divide into two parts, linear and nonlinear differential equation. Now first order linear differential equation without initial condition and with initial condition we solve in part 1 as example number 1 and example number 2. Now in this video we are going to discuss nonlinear differential equation, then higher order differential equation with constant coefficient and with variable coefficient. Now we discuss example number 3. The given ordinary differential equation is non-linear differential equation and one condition is given, therefore with initial condition. First step is system y of t. Then ordinary differential equation is given by y comma t, that means dy by dt term plus y, and then apply here arithmetic operation whole square term. Now equal, that means double equal 1. Now for condition condition equal to y of 0, now here double equal 0. And first step is y solution of t equal to d solve. Here we write down ODE comma condition. Now we solve this in MATLAB now. Now we solve example number 3 by using MATLAB. The given ordinary differential equation is nonlinear equation with initial condition. Condition is y of 0 equal to 0 and equation is dy by dt plus y whole square equal to 1. Now first step is we write down systems to create symbolic form of y of t, therefore SYMS y of t. In second step we write down the ordinary differential equation ODE equal to, now equation is here in bracket DIFF y comma t plus y whole square, therefore bracket complete, whole square cap 2, now equal to double equal 1. In third step we apply condition COND condition equal to y of 0 equal, again double equal 0. This is the initial condition. Then solution is y solution of t equal to d solve in bracket ordinary differential equation comma condition is there, therefore we write down COND condition bracket complete. Now I copy this program and paste in command window. Then we get enter the terms. We get first is the differential equation, this is the condition, and solution is equal to this. In this way we solve the nonlinear differential equation with initial condition by using MATLAB. Example number 4. Solve d2y by dx square equal to cos 2x minus y, and here two initial conditions are given. The given differential equation is second order differential equation with two initial conditions. Now first step here systems y of x. Then Here derivative term dy equal to diff of y. And then we define the differential equation ODE equal to diff y comma x. That means differentiation of y with respect to x, and here 2, that means 2 times derivative of this. Therefore d2y by dx square. Now equal cos of 2 star x minus of y. We applying here arithmetic operation. Then condition 1 y of 0 double equal 1. Now condition 2 is for y dash of 0, therefore here condition 2 equal to d of y of 0 double equal 0. Then conditions in square bracket condition 1 and condition 2. And then find out solution y solution of x equal to d solve ODE comma conditions and y solution equal to simplify y solution. Now we solve this problem in MATLAB. We solve example number 4 by using MATLAB. Example number 4 equation is ordinary differential equation second order and two initial conditions are given. Therefore, first step is we write down systems y of x. Function y is dependent variable, x is independent variable, therefore y of x. Here two conditions are given. First condition for y of 0 and second condition for y dash of 0. Therefore, we define here y dash term, that means dy equal to diff of y. This is second step. Now we write down ordinary differential equation ODE equal to diff. Now here left hand side is d2y by dx square, therefore y with respect to x and differentiating 2 times, therefore here 2. Then equal, therefore we write down 2 times equal, then cos of right hand side is cos 2x minus y, therefore 2 into x minus of y. Minus y. This is the right hand side of the equation. Now we write down condition 1 equal to y of 0. Now equal means double equal 1. This is the first condition, y of 0 equal to 1. Then second condition is condition 2 equal to y dash means dy of 0 equal to means double equal 0. This is the second condition. And then conditions, we define conditions equal to in square bracket condition 1 space condition 2 bracket complete semicolon. These are the conditions. Then we write down solution y solution with respect to x equal to d solve ODE, that means ordinary differential equation comma conditions bracket complete. After this we get the answer, but if we get the simplified values, then we write down one sentence here. Solution y solution equal to simplify y solution. That means we get simplified value. Now this is the program for example number 4. Now first copy this program and paste in the command window. Enter the and we get the solution. This is the solution. In this way, we solve the example number 4, that means second order differential equation with two initial conditions. We discuss example number 5, which is higher order differential equation. Now, higher order means two or more order. Here, third order differential equation with three initial conditions. Now, first step, systems of y of x. Then, here first condition, second condition for y dash of 0. Therefore, we have to define dy term. Di double f y comma x, that means dy by dx term. Then third condition with respect to y double dash, therefore d to y equal to differentiation of y comma x comma 2, that means differentiation of y with respect to x second derivative. Now we express ordinary differential equation. Here left hand side of this equation is d cube y by dx cube, that means differentiation of y with respect to x 3 times derivative. Therefore di double f y comma x comma 3 double equal y. Then condition 1, y of 0 double equal 1. Second condition, condition 2, d of y of 0 double equal minus 1. Now third condition, condition 3 equal to d to y of 0 double equal y. Now we define conditions in square bracket, condition 1, condition 2 and condition 3, and then find out the solution. Last step is y solution of x equal to d solve ODE comma conditions. Now we run this program in MATLAB. By using MATLAB, now we solve example number 5. This example number 5 is third order differential equation and three initial conditions are given. Therefore, first step is we write down systems y of x. Then here three conditions are given. First condition y of 0 equal to 1, second condition y dash of 0 and third condition for y double dash of 0. Therefore, we have to define here dy equal to di double f of y comma x. This is the dy term. Now third condition for d to y by dx square, that means y double dash of term. Therefore, d to y equal to di double f differentiation of y comma x, and here we write down 2 because we differentiate 2 times d to y by dx square term. Then we write down ordinary differential equation ODE equal to, left hand side of the equation is d cube y by dx cube. Therefore, differentiation of y comma x, and we differentiate 3 times y. Therefore, here we write down 3 equal to, now here double equal to y. This is the ordinary differential equation. Now we define condition one by one. Condition 1 equal to y of 0 double equal sign, then 1. Then condition 2 equal to dy of 0 equal to minus 1. Then third condition, condition 3 equal to d to y of 0 double equal pi. Therefore, we write down pi. Now we define these conditions as conditions equal to, in square bracket, condition 1 space condition 2 space condition 3, then square bracket complete, semicolon. Now lastly, we define y solution of x equal to d solve ODE and conditions. This is the program for example number 5. Now we run this program in command window. Therefore, we get the solution this. In this way, we solve the higher order differential equation with three conditions. In this video, we solve problems of nonlinear differential equation and second and third order, that means higher order differential equation with constant coefficient by using MATLAB. Now in part 3, we will discuss differential equation with variable coefficient and solve some problems of differential equation and plot the graph of the solution. Thank you.